Yes, hello. How are you all? My name is Yugesh and we are doing Standard 12 Statistics Part 2, Chapter number 1 Probability. This is my 21st lecture for this chapter. See, you have to watch every lecture in continuity to take the concepts properly. You all have to write each and every sum. If possible, then revise the sum next day. And say, for example, today we are doing from sum number 11. What we had done yesterday, please revise it. And then only you can get confidence in this chapter. Otherwise, this chapter has a special characteristic that every sum is different. There are so many methods to teach in this chapter. Okay, so every sum has a different method, and every method has a different changes. So there are lots and lots of varieties. Okay, so you have to revise it thoroughly to get confidence in this chapter. Now we have completed illustration number 34 in the previous lecture. This was illustration 34, and I told you to do this first sum of illustration 11. It is same as illustration 34. This sub question number 2 we will be doing today. Okay, so I am giving the heading illustration. Exercise 1.4 sum number 10. See, two dice are thrown. I have to solve sub question 2. First die shows number 5 or 6. First die shows number 5 or 6. And the other die shows even number. See, if I solve this sum directly, then it is very easy sum. But we will solve with a particular method. Okay. Uh, this question is something like this. This method is something like this. First die shows number 5 or 6 and so this end means intersection for me. I told you that end is the intersection. Okay, or is the union. We have discussed this. So I have to find the intersection. To find the intersection, intersection is my answer. First of all, you uh, fit that particular thing in your mind. I'll be preparing event A as first die shows number 5. First die shows number 5 or this is my event day. Now, what is there in event day? First die shows number 5 or 6. First die shows 5. 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Then 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. 12 by 24. Then my event B. Now, what is my event B? My event B where other dice choose even number. Other die shows even number, that means the second one will apart. So it's 1 2. Second die shows the even number. So even numbers means it's 2 4 6. But I am talking about only the second number. So it's 1 2. Then 1 4 1 6. Then it's 2 4 2 6. Left the 2 2. Then 3 2 3 3. Sorry, 3 4. Other is even. Then 3 6. Then 4 4 4 6 5 2 5 4 5 6 6 2 6 4 6 6. It's 1 2 1 4 1 6 2 4 2 2 2 4 2 6 3 2 3 4. Okay, so these are the digits. I can say whose other number is even. Now this is A and this is B. What I have to find? I have to find A. First die shows 5 or 6 and other die shows even number. That means I have to find A intersection. A intersection B. So now A intersection B is now this A intersection B is 5 2 5 4 5 6 6 2 6 4 5 6. This is your answer. First die shows 5 or 6 and another die shows the even number. Answer to this is obviously 6 by. It's obviously intersection. Answer is 6 by 36. See, I'm reading once again. You have to find first die shows 5 or 6 and other die shows even number. As I told you, that end means intersection. So first I am finding event A, first die shows 5 or 6. Then I have found that other die shows the even number. A is 5 or 6, that is 12 by 36. B is uh, that's almost 18 by 36. Intersection that means common, that is 6 by 36. Okay. Question was to find the end, that means I have to find intersection only. Nothing else will be done in this question. Okay. So we have completed 11th. See, now we have a small topic called independent. Now, what you have to remember in this independent event? In independent event, you remember A intersection B as B of A to B of. In question, you will be given that A and B are independent, and if A and B are independent, intersections formula is mu one. Intersection B is A into. If A and B are independent, formula for intersection is P of A into B. Okay. Now, what are the independent events? Independent event, that means A and B are doing work independently, but there can be a chance that their both work can be same. Suppose I am giving also exam, you are also giving exam. You are in a different school, I am in a different school. It can happen that your and my marks are same. See, we are working independently. You don't have to work with me, or I don't have to work with you. But it can be there that things can be matched. So, independent events are the events where intersection is found by A into. So, I am finding illustration number. Two cities A and B of the different states have rain on 60% and 75% respectively during the monsoon. For the cities A and B, find the probability that on a certain monsoon day, both the cities have rains, at least one city have rains, and only one city has rains. See, two cities are having rains on 60% and 75% days. P of A is 0.6. P of B is 0.75. My first question is Find both cities have range. Now, what this both cities have range means? Both the city have range means it is they are obviously are asking about the intersection. As I told you that both is the intersection. Both means two events occurring together. That is intersection. So it is P of A into P of which is point 0.6 into 0.75 which is 0.50. Then at least one city every. At least one city means they are asking about union. Now union means P of A. See this one is very easy. P of B minus P of A intersection B. So P of A is 0.6 plus 0.75 minus 0. Nothing but 0. Now there is the third question. Only one city has it. This only one I have explained you somewhere in the exercise 1.3. We don't have any symbol for this, but formula for this only one is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection. Now this A is 0.6 plus this B is 0.75 minus 2 into what is intersection? 0. So it is 0.6 plus 0.75 minus 0.9 which is 0.20. And there is only one city as well. You are asked only one. That means you have to apply this formula P of A plus B minus 2 intersection. How this formula came, I have explained you somewhere in exercise 1.3. So we have completed illustration number 30. So by completing this illustration 35, we have completed all the illustration up to exercise 1.4. Now let us solve some sums from this exercise. Up to 11 we have solved. So some are left 12, 13, 14, 15 are left I can see here now. Let's find some number 30. There is 1.4, some number 30. A can hit the target in 3 or 5 attempts. That means P of A is obviously 3 by 5. B can hit the target in 5 of 6 attempts. Find probability that target is. What you have to find the target is hit. Now, just analyze the question first. What does this mean? Target is hit. If A is hitting target, then target is hit. If B is hitting the target, target is hit. If both A and B are hitting the target, target is hit. See, if A is hitting the target, it is hit. B is hitting the target, it is hit. A and B hitting the target, it is hit. So I can say they are asking me that at least one hit the target. This at least one means they are asking me the union. What they are asking me? They are asking me the union. This union, that is A union B, is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Three by five plus 5 by 6 minus. Do I have intersection? No, I don't have intersection. Can I find the intersection? I can find the intersection. So P of A intersection B is equal to P of this A is 3 by 5, 5 by 6. So it is 15 upon 15 by 20. 3 5 are 15, 5 6 are 50, which is nothing but 1 upon. Now this is my intersection. So here I will be writing 1 by. Now take LCM. LCM will be 30 here. Take LCM 30. 30 means 5 6 are 30, so 3 6 are 18. 18 upon 30. 6 5 are 30, so 5 5 are 20, 5 by 30. 15 are 30, so it's 15 by 30. So it's 18 plus 5 minus 15. 30, 30.